If OneDrive is blocked by your firewall settings or by browser plugins, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to diagnose the problem and get OneDrive working again. This is a simple step-by-step fix you can try on Windows, and it also covers browser extensions, cache issues, and a couple of quick testing methods that can help you narrow down exactly what's causing the block. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more clear tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to test whether your firewall or antivirus web protection is the thing stopping OneDrive from loading. To do that, temporarily disable your firewall protection just long enough to check the result. On your keyboard, press Windows and I together to open Settings. From there, click Privacy and Security, then select Windows Security. In Windows Security, click Firewall and Network Protection. Now you'll see your active network profile, either public or private. Open the one that matches your current connection, and then turn off Microsoft Defender Firewall temporarily. Now go back and open Microsoft OneDrive again. If it starts loading normally, that tells you the firewall was likely the cause. After testing, turn the firewall back on right away. This is important because you only want to leave it off for a quick test, not as a permanent fix. If OneDrive still isn't working, the next thing to check is your browser extensions or plugins. A lot of the time, ad blockers, privacy tools, VPN extensions, and script blockers can interfere with Microsoft services. Open your browser's extensions page and disable anything that might be filtering or modifying web pages. Focus first on ad blockers, privacy blockers, VPN extensions, and script blockers. Once those are disabled, refresh the OneDrive page and see if it loads properly. If it suddenly works after disabling extensions, that's a great sign. Now, you can re-enable the extensions one by one, refreshing OneDrive each time until you find the exact extension that's causing the problem. That way, you don't have to turn everything off permanently, and you can keep the rest of your browser setup the way you like it. If the issue is still happening, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stale data can prevent OneDrive from loading correctly, especially if the site has been updated or if your session is stuck. Go into your browser settings, open Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. After that, restart the browser completely, then go back to OneDrive and test it again. Another really useful test is to open OneDrive in an incognito or private window. This helps you check whether the problem is tied to your normal browser profile, extensions, or saved site data. If OneDrive works in incognito mode, then the issue is probably local to your browser setup. If it still doesn't work, try a different browser altogether. Testing in another browser can quickly tell you whether the problem is browser-specific or system-wide. So to recap, start by testing your firewall, then check your browser extensions, then clear cache and cookies, and finally test incognito mode or another browser. That sequence will help you find the cause much faster and avoid unnecessary changes. If this tutorial helped you fix OneDrive, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.